Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the first chapter in English grammar for class 7th DAV publication. The name of the topic is articles. So let's begin. What are articles? Articles are basically a type of determiners. Determiner covers many classes of words in which there are articles, adjectives and demonstratives. There are three main articles: a, an and the. These three articles can be divided into two classes: definite and indefinite. The is a definite article, whereas a and an are indefinite articles. Now let us study more about definite article the. Before that, let us understand the meaning of the word definite. It means clearly stated and certain. The is known as definite article because it is used to point out specific person or thing. For example, the moon, the sun, the universe, etc. Let us see the uses of the article the. There are following common rules of using definite article the. The first one, the is used before a particular or specific person, place or thing. Let us see the first example. The first example is, let us go to the club. So what do we understand from this example? We understand that we are going to that particular club and not any other club. Second example, this is the boy who won the match. So what do we understand from this example? We understand that he is the boy who has won the match. Let us see the second point now. The is used before common nouns, which are names of things unique of their kind. Unique here means special. There is no duplicacy. So the first example is, the earth is our planet. Second example, the world is a pleasant place. The third example, the sun gives us life. In the above three examples, earth, world and sun, though common, are unique, and hence we have used the before these nouns. Third use, the is used before names of directions and dates of months. The first example, the sun sets in the west. Second example, I got my dream job on the 10th of May. In the above two examples, we have used the before west, which is a direction, and 10th, which is a date. Fourth use, the is used before names of rivers, seas, canals, oceans, valleys, deserts and forests. The examples are the Atlantic Ocean, the Ganges, the Gir forest. Fifth use, the is used before names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps. But make a note, never use the before names of single mountains or hills. For example, Mont Blanc, not the Mont Blanc, and Everest, not the Everest. Sixth use, the is used before superlative degrees of an adjective. The first example, you are the best boy in my class. Second, Kashmir is the most beautiful state of India. In the above two examples, best and most are superlative degrees, and hence we use the article the before them. Seventh use, the is used before a whole class. First example, the cow is a pet animal. Second example, the horse runs very fast. In the above two sentences, cow and horse, these two nouns are used for the entire class of cows and horses, and hence we have used the article the. Now the eighth use, the is used before names of races or nations. First example, the English ruled over the Indians. The Muslims believe in the Quran. In the above two examples, what do we observe? We see that we have used the before English and Muslim, which denote races. Ninth use, the is used before names of newspapers, holy books, famous buildings, ships, historical events. First example, I read the Hindustan newspaper. Second example, the Ramayana is a famous book. Third example, the Taj Mahal is a symbol of love. Fourth example, the Titanic was the first largest passenger ship. Fifth example, the Battle of Panipat changed the entire course of history. Now let us come to the 10th use. The is used before proper nouns, common nouns, abstract nouns and material nouns to make them common nouns. For example, let us take the first example. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Second example, the milk of our dairy is pure. In the first sentence, Shakespeare is a proper noun, but we are calling Kalidas as the Shakespeare, hence it has become a common noun. Similarly, milk is a common noun, but here we have specified it as it's from our dairy, hence pure. 11th use, the is used before names of musical instruments. Example, Rani plays the guitar. Second example, Ranjan plays the harmonium. 12th use, the is used before names of inventions. Example, the water purifier is useful for us. Second example, who invented the television? 13th use, the is used before parts of body. Example, he was hit by the rod in the back. Second example, he got an injury in the head. 14th use, the is used before political parties. Examples, the Congress Party, the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now let us come to the indefinite article a and an. First, let us see how a is used. A and an are known as indefinite articles because both are used to point nouns which are not specific nouns. For example, a man, an organization, and an egg. Let us see the uses of article A. First use, A is used before words beginning with consonants. For example, a news, a patient, a cup. Second use, a is used before the words which begins with a vowel but has a sound of a consonant. For example, a university, a European. Now let us see the uses of an. An is used with words that begin with vowels a, e, I, o, u. Example, an orange, an egg, an octave, etc. Second point, a or an is used before the adjective if adjective comes with a noun. For example, a nice book, an intelligent boy, a good prize. Third example, an is used before words beginning with consonants having vowel sounds. Example, an FIR, an MSc, an MA. Now let us see where we should not use articles. The topic is omission of articles. We should not use the before proper nouns. For example, Kolkata, Rashmi, Sunday, and so on. The only exception here is we rule out this exception when we use the before a group of states which come together. For example, the Punjab, the USA, the Deccan. Second point, we should not use the before subjects and arts. For example, I don't like painting. I am reading book of science. The third example, when we use abstract nouns in general sense, we omit the. Honesty is the best policy. Health is wealth. Dear students, I hope you have understood the topic well. Thank you.